I got. Thank you. I got it. Because I need to start in my own computer. I need to start. Yeah. Right. I got it. And today, my sincere request to my children. Children, you should not unmute all the time. When I'm asking the question one by one, you're supposed to answer. Please remain this, children. If you unmute and speak, what happens? Other students may not listen my explanation part, or else if you continuously all together, if you are talking, the way of delivering is not a successful, children. Please avoid those things. When I'm asking, unmute, and you can unmute and answer my question. Yeah. Children, please look at the screen. I think we are completed the question as a product of consecutive numbers. Yes. Question number 10, you see, children. Today, our question number 10. Determine 25,110 is divisible by 45. And the hint is also given there. 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. Test divisibility of the numbers 5 and 9. We know divisibility rule of 5. What is divisibility rule 5? End digit should be either
5 or 5.
Yeah, end digit should be either 0 or 5. Very good. So 9 rule is the sum of digits should be exactly divisible by 9. So if both rules are true for number, whatever the number given here, you just look at the number. So end digit is 0. Yes, 5 rule is true. And 9 rule. If you sum up all the digits, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Yes, 9 is exactly divisible by 9. Yes, both rules are true. Then the product also, if 5 and 9 rules both are true, means 5 and 9 is also co-prime numbers, because there is no common factor except 1. What are co-prime numbers? Please recollect once again your concept about co-prime numbers.
Like 3 and 5, ma'am, they have only one as the
common factor. There is no common factor except 1. Such numbers we call it, such a pair of numbers we can call it as co-prime numbers. Here 5 and 9 as co-primes, because there is no common factor except 1. So that the product is also divisible by the number. The product means 9, 5 times 45. So 45 is also divisible by the given number 25,000. Where is the number? 25,110. This is a very interesting question, important to children. Let me clear and give my explanation part. And just a minute, children. Such a questions, not only this type of questions may get in your examination too, because sometimes they're going to test, they're going to ask you the questions like a 12 rule. What is the divisibility rule of 12, children? We don't know divisibility rule of 12.
Ma'am, the number should be divisible by 3 and 4.
Very good. Why 3 and 4?
Ma'am, because the 3 and 4 are the highest factors of
co-prime numbers, because 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers and consecutive numbers too. The HCF of both the numbers is highest common factor is only 1. So that the product is also divisible. Very good, Nana. The product is also divisible. So you will get, if any number is divisible with 4 and 3, then you can, both the rules will be satisfied. Then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 12. Give a minute time, children. I'll come back with my questions.
Hello, ma'am. Are you there?
Ma'am will be back in a minute.
Yes. Children, this way you can build some more divisibility rules using the same technique. And now next part you can see. Okay. Co-prime numbers, because we need what are co-prime numbers is very important. What are co-prime numbers? You know very well.
Co-prime number are the number which have only one similar one as the factor, one as a similar factor for both.
Co-prime numbers means the highest common factor, or else the common factor is only one. In my pen is.
An example to us.
Yes, you can take.
Examples are 8, 15, and 5, and 9, and 12, and 11.
Yeah, it is working, right, children? Co-prime numbers. Very important point, children. Please note down this, whatever the points we are discussing in the class. So co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers? HCF, highest common factor, should be 1. That is first point you need to remember. Suppose you see in the question number, what is the question number 10? You can see this question number 10, the number 25110. 25110. Is it divisible by 45? Is it divisible by 45 or not? It's our question. So no need of going with 45 table. They mentioned, they gave some hint here. 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. 9 are co-primes. You can check whether it is co-primes or also you can check, children. Yeah, you can check. Write the factors of all factors of 5. 1 and 5.
And 1 and 5, ma'am. It is prime.
So the factors of 5 are 1 and 5.
Yes,
Same way 9. 9 can be expressed as 1 into 9.
1 into 9 to
3 into 3.
3 into 3.
Yes, any other way? So what are factors here? 1, 3, 9.
1, 3, 9.
Now, what is common? Common means in both what you
One
have
only, ma'am.
common factor.
1.
1. So 1 as a common factor. Such a numbers we call it as a co-prime numbers. Please remember this is very important, children. So these two numbers are co-prime numbers. The divisibility rule 5 is true in this case because end digit is units place digit is 0. So the 2 rule is also true. Sorry, 5 rule is true. Coming to 9 rule. 9 rule means the sum of digits. What is 9 rule, children? What is 9 rule?
Ma'am, it is.
And if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9.
Yes,
If the sum of the digit is divisible by.
yeah, these are 9. 9 should be exactly divisible by 9. Very good. Right. Don't unmute all. So 9 rule is also true. In this case, both the rules is true. Then the product of those two numbers. What are the numbers? 5 and 9. What is the product of 5 and 9? Product of 5 and 9. Product means you need to multiply
45.
45. So this number is exactly divisible by 45. This is one important point, children. Please remember that every year the
Ma'am, then we can say that 5, if the number is divisible by 5 and 9, it is divisible by 45.
Now you can build a 15 rule also. How 15 rule? 15 divisibility rule you can build. 15 can be expressed as 3 into 5. 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Yes, 3 and 5 are co-prime. If 3 rule is true, 5 rule is true. It is divisible by 15. It's also divisible by 15.
Then how can we make the rule for 210?
How can you make for rule for
210, ma'am. 200.
210? Very good question asked by the child. 210 you can write first as a factors.
And 210 is divisible by 10.
Yeah, no, we need to express as a product of co-primes. That is more important.
Ma'am, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7.
Not product. The product, you have to express the numbers as a product of primes. That numbers
Ma'am,
are
it should be
Ma'am, it is 2
divisible by
into 3,
7 or
5
3.
into 7.
No, he want 21 rule. 21 can be expressed as
Not 21, ma'am. 210, 210.
210. I think 1 minute. Let me come to you. 210. He's asking about 210, whether it is. How you supposed to express 210 as a product of co-prime numbers? So you can express as 7 3s or 730. 7 into 30. What is 7 rule? You know 7 rule. And so what are factors of 7? 1 and 7. 30 factors are
1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
5,
5,
6,
6,
10,
10. Very
10.
good. 10.
12.
Very
No,
good.
no.
Very good. 12. No, 12.
No,
No,
no.
12.
not 12.
It is 15.
Ma'am, 15.
15.
2,
Then 30.
Ma'am, 30
What is common factors here?
1,
1.
Yes.
1.
7 rule, but 30 rule, you don't know 30 rule. Again, 30 rule will true means what happens? 30 can be expressed as 3 into
10.
10.
6.
It means this number is, you can check with 3 rule is true, 7 rule is true, then 10 rule is true. Then it is exactly divisible by 210. Hope you understood. The student is asking about 210. Yes, my dear. Varshit
Yes,
Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, so it should be
Ma'am,
divisible by
if the
7.
number satisfy 7 rule and 30 rule, ma'am, then it is.
No, we did not. We don't know 30 rule. We don't know 30 rule, right? Do you know 30 rule?
No, ma'am.
No. We don't know. Then again, you go with the 30. Yes.
Ma'am, if the number is divisible by 7, 3, and 10, then it is divisible by 2, 10 also, right, ma'am?
Exactly. And my one more question some child is asking. Yes, Karthik Verma, what's your doubt? Very good. He raised the hand. Good.
Ma'am, my doubt is, so like, can that method be like what you're saying? Can it be applied to anything? Like
Exactly. That's why I'm giving. Very good question. It's a generalized. You can apply. When you can apply as the numbers. Suppose you see the numbers here. These two are co-prime numbers. Then only.
Ma'am, so for 42, is it only divisible by 7?
Very good. The 42 rule. If you want 42 rule, let me go with your doubt too. Good. That is the way of thinking. The child
No. 49, ma'am. 49.
49. 49 can be expressed as 7 into 7. Right?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is the 7 factors? 1 into 7. Another 7 factors are 1 into 7.
7.
Common factors we have. What are common factors?
1 and 7.
1 and 7. But what we need, only common factor should be 1, except no other number. So this case fails. We cannot say 7 sevens. 7 rule is true means 49 rule is also true. We cannot say like that.
So square or cube can work.
Yes. Very good. Excellent. That is the way of thinking. Some clues will be given. Child should think little more with them. Good. So suppose the doubt you can see. There are some numbers you can take. I can extend this topic because this is very helpful to you, children, if you think like that. Suppose my number was 23. We don't know. No, 23. No, just go with What is our number? We have discussed about 11 rule, 12 rule, 13, 14. Take 14. So 14 can be expressed as a product of primes, 4 prime numbers. 2 into 7. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So any number, suppose a number is divisible by 2. 2, what are factors for 2? 1 into 2.
1.
Yeah, 7 factors are 1 into 7. Common factor is only
1.
Common factor is 1. So 2 and 7 are co-prime numbers. 2 and 7 are co-primes. Yes or no, children? Co-primes. Yes. Now if you want a divisibility rule by 14 means you have to check with what are numbers. 2 rule should be true and 7 rule should be true. Then you can say that 14 is also divisible. Yes, the given number is also divisible by 14.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Yes or no, children?
Yeah, ma'am.
Good. Good. This is the way you can extend your topic. Now suppose 15, I want 15 rule, but my ma'am was not taught 15 rule. You should not think like that. You can same topic you can extend. So 15, how you supposed to express? 3 5s are 15. What are 3 factors, Nana? 1 into 3. 5 factors are 1 into 5. So common factor is?
1.
Common factor is 1.
1.
So what is divisibility rule for 15? It should be true for 3 rule. It should be true for 5 rule. Then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 15. Same way 16. You can take a 16 is a square number again. It is not true. We cannot write for this. 17 you can. 17 can be no. 17 is a prime number. There is a disturbance in the street. Just a minute, children. Like that, you can extend your concept to other numbers, to some other bigger numbers. Divisibility rules also you can frame and keep ready with you so that it is very easy for you. Suppose 18. You take number 17, 18. 18 can be expressed as 2 times 9.
2 into 9. 2 into 9.
2 times 9. Yes, what are the factors of 2, Nana? 1 into 2.
1 and 2.
And
9 is 1, 2, 1, 3, 9.
1 into 9, 2 into, 3 into 3. So 1, 3, 9. What are common factors? Only 1 as a common factor. So common factor 1 means yes, 2 and 9 are co-prime numbers. So the product is also divisible. So 2 rule is true, then 9 rule is true, then the given number is also divisible by 18. So you can frame 18 divisibility rule. Like that you can extend these children. Don't because this is
I didn't get it. Like, why are we supposed to find the common factor for it?
because the
Co-prime
product should be as a co-prime. Suppose one more question I will give. Very wise question you are asking. Suppose I'm taking with 22. I can go with the 22. Not 24. We can take a 24. 24 in how many ways we can express 2 into 12. Karthik, I'll come to you, Nana. I'll come to you.
Or 3 into 8.
3 into
8.
3 into
8. 8.
8. Any other way? 6.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 4 into
4
6.
into 6.
4 into 6.
Very good. 4 into 6 or 6
Ma'am,
into
6 into 4 and 4 into 6 are
There
6.
are different ways we can express this 24. Which rule should be true in this case? Which rule, which pair of numbers we can take here to
Ma'am,
divide
6 and 4 and 3.
4 and 6? No.
3 and 8.
Why 3 and 8?
Ma'am, 12 and 6. Ma'am, 12%.
2 and 12, sorry. 2 and 12 means, you see, if I'm taking 2 and 12, what is 2 factors? 1 into 2. Factors are 1 and 2. And 12 factors are 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12.
I think it is 3 and 8 because, ma'am, I think it's 3 and 8 because 3 and 8 has only one factor. That is only one. That is one.
The common factors here you are getting 2. Common factors are 1 and 2.
It should be
So
only
this case,
one. So,
this case not works because
ma'am, it should be 3 and 8. It should be 3 and 8.
if I'm taking 4 and 6, so what are factors of 4 ma? 4 factors.
2 is matching for both.
2.
2 is matching for both.
1 and 2.
1,
and
2, 3, 6. So common factors are 1 and 2. So
And
this
3 8 only one. 3 8 has only one.
3, 8. If I'm taking factors of 3, 1 and 3, 8 as 1, 2, 4, 8. So here common factor is only 1. So this pair we can check. So 24 divisibility rule means it should be true for 3 rule, it should be true for 8 rule. Then we can say that it is also divisible by 24. Hope you understood, my dear children.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Understood? Any doubt here?
Ma'am, so for prime numbers also we cannot like.
Co-primes, only thing, prime numbers means HCF is only 1, right? Yes. HCF is only 1 for prime numbers, right? You can take Nana. If both the numbers are prime numbers also, you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Yes, you
Ma'am,
can.
both the numbers are prime numbers means nothing but co-primes, right? Only, ma'am.
No need. Directly see, suppose 5, 7. If product of 5 and 7 is 35. If you want 35 divisibility rule means it should be true for 5 rule and it should be true for 7 rule. Then we can say easily the number should be exactly divisible by 35 too.
Ma'am, then what about 25, ma'am? 25.
25 is again square number, right, Nana? That's why Karthik Verma is asking about ma'am 4, then 2 square, 3 square, 9, and for the 4 square, 16, 25. These are square numbers, Nana. We cannot build for these.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but for 4, ma'am, we have rule and 9 also we have rule, right, ma'am?
Yes, we have 4 rule and 9 rule. That is simple numbers. Let's leave it. Go to 16 and 25, some other bigger square numbers. Anyway, we know that 4 and 9 is very simple. This no need. This above 16, 25, that then 25 after what is next square number? 36. Then 36, you can check not only 6 6 are 36. Any other way we can write, please check it. Like that also you need to think, children.
Ma'am, 12
Okay,
3s
ma'am.
are 36, ma'am. 12 3s are 36.
12 and
Is
3,
there is
but 12 and 3 again has a common factor as 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why we are not going to take such a pair.
I have a doubt in
Yeah,
this.
mom, please. I want
Ah.
more doubts because if you are express your doubts, that much concept should be strengthened here.
Like we are finding the number, the suitable group. We are doing the long procedure. Like first find the factors of it. So is there any shortcut for that?
Which one for divisibility rules?
Ma'am, we're finding the divisibility rule, right?
Hmm.
For 24, this or so. For this, I'm asking.
So,
Many groups are there.
See,
So
36. You know factors anyway. 36 can be expressed as 6 into 6 one way, and any other way 2 into 18, and 3 into 12, and 4 into 9. Yes. In this, which pair we can opt to check the divisibility rule? 36.
3 and 12.
3 and 12, 3 is also common. Yes, 3 and 12 has a common 3 pair. 2 and 18 and
4 and 9. 4 and 9. 4 and 9.
very good. This pair we can take. Why? Because 4 factors are 1 and 4, 1, 1, 2, 4, and 9 factors are 1, 3, 9. Common factor is 1 here. So 4 and 9 are co-primes. Any two numbers are co-primes means the number is also divisible by product. The 4 nines are 36. If you want to make 36 divisibility rule, it should be true for 4 rule, it should be divisible for 9 rule. Then we can say it is exactly divisible by 36. Understood, Om? Yes.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Mukesh?
Yes, ma'am.
I want my students' concern because this is most important topic. Yes, Karthik, any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Vinil,
No, ma'am.
Varshit,
Ma'am, do you have a quiz today?
Om said Tanvi. You just raise your hand if it is your doubt was clarified means no issues means we can. Next, Soumya.
No doubt, ma'am. All clear.
Very good. Akshara. I did not find Akshara.
Ma'am, I have no doubt.
Okay. Sri. Sri, are you there? Sri, please respond. Hariharan.
No doubts, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Shall we move with the next one more? This is more important concept what we learned today, children. Please, you can work on more and more numbers. Try for more divisibility rules. You can think and find out about this part. And the next part of the questions here. This is playing with numbers. Not we are not going to. Just generally, you can generalize the rules. You need to know, that's all. Next, coming to the next part. This is the question number 11. I want Sri. Can you please read question number 11? Sri. Sri, please respond. If you are there, please respond. Hariharan, question number 11. Please read it. Read out the question.
Yeah, ma'am. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is always divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must also be divisible by 4 multiple 6 is equal to 24?
Huh.
If not, give.
It's simple, ma'am. 4 into 6 is equal to 24.
Is it true, children? 4 rule true, 6 rule true. Is it divisible?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Is it
We can
true? Who said yes? Yeah, 2 and 3 are co-primes. 2 and 3 are co-primes. But the product is also divisible. 2 into 3 is all 6.
Yes, ma'am. 6 is
true.
also a true.
Coming to 4 and 6. So is it co-primes?
No, ma'am.
No, very good.
No,
So
ma'am.
no, they are not co-primes. What are common factors? 1, 2, 4.
Ma'am,
1,
and 6, ma'am. 1, 2,
2, 3, and 6.
What are common
One,
factors here?
1 and 2.
and 1 and 2 are the common factors, and
So 4
highest.
and 6 are not co-primes. 4 and 6 are not co-primes. So we cannot multiply these two numbers to make as a divisibility rule. So it is wrong, children.
So in this question, I have a doubt. Like in this question, if we are given 3 and 5, find the number 3 and 5 is given to us. Like
3 and 5
so
are
in that we can directly multiply them, right?
Yes, that is okay. 3 and 5 only.
We directly find the product because they are co-prime.
Yes, they are co-primes. Directly you can do in that case. But why they're asking about reason? They're asking about reason.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the way you can justify your answer, because 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. So the product 24 is not divisible. You can write. By the reason means they are not co-primes. We cannot make a rule here. And I am the smallest number having 4 different prime. Can you find me? There is a nice riddle for 12th question, children.
Ma'am, this we have to find the starting. When if you find the starting for smallest prime number.
I am the smallest number having 4 different
For this,
prime
I got it now. For this, we have to find the 4 starting prime number, which are 2, then 3, then 5, and then 7, and then I think we have to find the product of it.
No need the directly prime factorization you can write, right? 210 prime factorization you can do. Let me check with the smallest prime number you can. In this case also very. You can check here. 210. 210 go with the least prime number to half of 105. 210 half means 105, but here 5 rule you can take, or 6 3 rule you can. So 5 2s are 10, it's 21. 3, how many times 3? 7 times.
7.
You can stop here. Then you can write in order. What are the.
I have I'm saying.
Yeah.
Instead of doing this method, just telling us the smallest number and the prime number and different prime factor. So can't we directly create the starting 4 smallest prime number?
Yes.
Which will all
even you can directly you can, if you are very good at your expressing as a prime factors means you can do this directly. Right, even you can do like that. Only, but what is, I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. This is you see children, no other number. 210 is the smallest number which we can express as the different factors. 4 different factors. No other number. They can question you, which is the smallest number. Smallest number can be expressed as a 4 different prime factors. You can write at that time directly. They won't give any clues there, children. You can directly, please remember, this is more important. Prime factors means the smallest prime number 2, then next prime number is 3, next prime number is 5, as next 7, like that.
Yes. In this, if they have given the smallest 3 number, then
yeah.
we will not take 7.
No, yes, that's why you can even write, as you said, ma'am, directly we will go with the least prime number 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then multiply all those. Because they're asking 4 different prime numbers. Suppose the same question they're asking 5 different prime numbers. 5 means what is the next different prime number? Next different prime number.
11.
11. What is the product of these together?
Okay, ma'am. It's 1, 2, 10, 2, 10, 11. 2, 10, 11.
2, 10, very good. 2, 10, 11, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
so its answer should be
2, 3, 1, 0.
Second, ma'am. It is 2, 2, 1, 0. 2, 2, 1, 0. 2, 3, 1, 0.
Ma'am, 2,
Yeah,
3, 0.
2, 3, 1.
3, 1, 0.
This question can be
610.
Yeah, this question can be extended, and I am the smallest number having 5 different prime factors. Can you find me? That means what is the number?
Ma'am, we need to multiply by 11 also, ma'am, in the last.
Yeah, that's all. Like
If
that,
they ask, I'm the smallest prime number having 4 different prime factors. So we have to take the first smallest 4
very
different
good. First
prime
smallest.
factors and
Yes,
whatever the
ma'am.
product comes.
Ma'am, what if the question is like I am the largest prime number having four different prime
That will come only. Then infinite numbers are there.
Then we cannot. Well, do you know what is the largest prime number? What is the largest?
Not prime number, ma'am. Normal number only, not prime.
The largest prime number we can't find, ma'am. Can't
but-
find, sorry. We can't find it. But further we can do, they are telling the largest, right? So largest 4-digit we can find 9,999, and
Yes.
for that we can find in
Yes.
such a manner.
Yes.
Ma'am, because the numbers are infinite, so
Very good. The numbers are infinite. We cannot.
And we cannot count numbers.
This
That's
is
why
the largest
we
number.
prime.
We don't know which is the largest number. We don't. So we cannot. This
And because it is uncountable.
conditions are given. Then we can go ahead. See, children.
5-digit numbers, 6-digit
Ma'am,
numbers.
what if the condition is like, ma'am, I am the largest number made by largest prime factors below 100?
You can try and let me know tomorrow, please. Okay, try it. Try it.
If they ask largest 9-digit number, ma'am, then 9-digit number we have to take largest 9. No, we can't take that. No, we can't.
You can try with your ideas, children. Please try it. What are the difficulties you are facing there, and let me know so that we can discuss. And in exercise 3.6, there was an interesting exercise, children. Very quickly, you can answer all these. HCF.
Ma'am, you gave this questions as a homework, ma'am.
Then, no, I did not discuss only the thing 1848. 18 table, you see, children, 18 and 48.
18 1 18, 18 2.
18 3 times.
54.
What is 18 twos are no, it won't come in 18 table 48, so that you need to do normal procedure. So how you supposed to do?
Ma'am, after this one, can we play a quiz?
Yes. How you supposed to do? Go with the 2 table. 2 9s are 18.
9 18.
Then 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. Then both will go in 3 table.
And 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24.
3 8s are. Now 3 and 8 will not go in common table. What
And
is
that's why we should take again.
what is HCF, Nana? HCF is
6, ma'am, 6.
2 into 3 6. LCM is what
2
is
into
it?
3 into 8 into.
2 into 3 into 8. Very good.
Means it is 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 8.
You
Ma'am,
can-
144.
You can 100 and
144.
144. Very good. Like that, you can find other numbers too. Any tricky numbers is there? Let me see. Any other things like by looking only you can say HCF. Such numbers are there or not? Let me see. This we can easily find out.
Yes.
HCF of even numbers. What is HCF of even number? 2. What is
2.
HCF of odd number?
1.
1.
What is HCF of consecutive number?
1.
1.
Very good. Very good. This is more important and interesting questions in the fill in the blanks.
Ma'am, the HCF of the consecutive number is always 1, ma'am, because there is no table which has the consecutive numbers except 1.
Exactly. So the please find for B bit and first bit, B bit and C bit, D bit. Now it seems you have to do HCF and put in the chat box today.
Ma'am, ABCD HCF, ma'am, of first bit. Ma'am, can you repeat what you said to send in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am, can you repeat?
First bit B, C, D. You can please do HCF for B, C, D and place it in chat box. So
Okay, ma'am, I will send together in a chat.
Meanwhile, I'll search for your quiz. Today we are going with a small quiz on this HCF and
How many questions?
10 to 15 questions. Any doubts, please let me know in your chat box IDK. If you have any doubt regarding to finding HCF part, please let me know. IDK, I don't know, ma'am, please help me. You can place a small message to me so that I can repeat once again.
Now complete it all and